Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So we meet again in this video where I will show you how to install Python on your desktop. However, this method is only works if you have Windows. So if you're using Mac, you might want to try look at YouTube and see how to install Python on your machine if you are using Mac. Okay, so what you want to do is just go to your Google Chrome and then right there download Python. Okay, so you want to choose the first one that appear over here. Okay, download Python python.org. Okay, so here we have the latest version which is 3.8.3. Okay, so you want to download this. If you have the Windows version, just click here download. So it will download the .exe file. It will take maybe a few seconds or a few minutes. Now I think this one is done. If I just open that, okay, it will prompt me to install. Okay, so I don't want to install launcher, but I want to add Python 3.8 to the path. Now click install now. Yes, just wait, it will take a few minutes. I think I will just pause the video and I will come back when it's done. Okay, so we've done with the installation. So you will see this window, setup was successful. Okay, so now we can start online tutorial and documentation. So we close this, and if we go to our start window here, we will see Python. There, Python 3.8 says new because in my case, this is the first time I installed this as well. And so you can see the IDLE which we will use to write our program. And you have the command window, the manual. Okay, so you can read this okay, if you have any confusion. And this the module document. Right, so I'll see you in the next video where I will explain on how to use the IDLE for the Python. Okay, thank you.